Good morning students. Let's start our today's lesson with the same chapter number 10, and we are solving the numerical problems of our chapter number 10, the exercise questions. In this sequence we are going to do the question number 12. आज हम question number 12 करके देखते हैं. The question number 12 says that an object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So as we always do, we have to write what is given. An object is placed at a distance of 10 centimeter. So what is given? The object distance, which is denoted by u, and that is 10 centimeter. And as we know, u is always negative. So put the negative sign with 10 centimeter. From a convex mirror. मिरर कौन सा है? कॉन्वेक्स मिरर है. ऑफ फोकल लेंथ 15 सेंटीमीटर. मींस कॉन्वेक्स लेंस की फोकल लेंथ दी हुई है 15 सेंटीमीटर बिकॉज इट इज अ कॉन्वेक्स मिरर. जहां पे भी कॉन्वेक्स वर्ड आएगा वहां पे कौन सा साइन लगाना है? पॉजिटिव साइन लगाना है. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे हमने पॉजिटिव साइन नहीं लगाया क्योंकि पॉजिटिव साइन शो नहीं करते हैं. सो इट इज 15 सेंटीमीटर. फाइंड द पोजीशन एंड नेचर ऑफ द इमेज. Position of the image means the V. The distance of the image हमें बतानी है. And the nature of the image. इसके साथ ही हमें बताना है इसका नेचर कैसा है, ये किस तरीके की इमेज है. So this is given. We have to find out V and the nature. Because this is a convex mirror, we have to put the mirror formula. What is the mirror formula? That is 1 upon F is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U. Put the values. F is 15 is equal to 1 upon V plus 1 upon U is minus 10. Put the minus 1 upon 10. So 1 upon V is equal to 1 upon 15. ये plus minus यहाँ minus हो जाएगा. When we will bring it on this side, it will become again minus 1 upon 10 हो जाएगा. Oh sorry, plus हो जाएगा. ठीक है. Now the 1 upon V will be, we will get 1 upon 6. So V will be 6 centimeter. So we can see that the V means the image distance is 6 centimeter, means with positive sign. Positive sign shows that the image is formed behind the mirror on the right hand side. जब इमेज राइट हैंड साइड पे बनती है, जो भी चीज होगी अगर वो राइट हैंड साइड पे है तो उसके साथ पॉजिटिव साइन होता है. तो यानी कि इमेज के साथ पॉजिटिव साइन है, इट मींस इट इज बिहाइंड द मिरर ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड. तो वी कैन सी दैट द इमेज इज फॉर्म्ड एट द 6 सेंटीमीटर बिहाइंड द मिरर. ये हमने बता दिया कि बिहाइंड द मिरर है. Now we have to find out the nature of the image, whether it is virtual and erect or real or inverted, magnified or diminished. ये find out करने के लिए what we have to do? We have to find out the magnification. So what is the formula for a magnification, linear magnification of a mirror? That is M is equal to H dash upon H is equal to minus V upon U. So the height of the image and height of the object is not given. So we will use M is equal to minus V upon U. Put the values. M is equal to minus की जगह हम minus put करेंगे. V की वैल्यू अभी हमने निकाली थी 6 and U is minus 10. Clear? Now minus to minus cut. M is equal to 6 upon 10 means 0.6. The value of magnification is 0.6. So you can see there is a positive sign in magnification and the value is less than 1. So the positive sign shows that the image is virtual and erect. So we can say the image is virtual and erect, and the value is 0.6, means less than 1, means the object size is lesser than the, image size is lesser than the object. So we can see that the image is diminished. So this is about the nature of the image. It is virtual, erect and diminished. So we can easily solve all the questions. Now come to the next question, that is question number 13. So the question number 13 is, the magnification produced by a plane mirror is +1. What is given? The magnification M is +1. What does this mean? As I told you that the magnification has two things, a sign and a value. The sign shows the nature. If there is a positive sign का मतलब है the image is virtual and erect. It is above the principal axis. यानी कि the plus sign shows that the image is virtual and erect. The value is 1. If the value is 1, which shows that the size of image is equal to size of object. 1 क्या शो करता है कि साइज ऑफ द इमेज जो है वो साइज ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट है. अगर ये मोर देन 1 होती है then the size of the object is more than the size of the image is more than the size of the object. Then we can say the image is enlarged or magnified. If this value is less than 1, then we can say the size of the image is smaller than the size of the object, and we can say that the image is diminished. But it is 1 here in this question, so we can say the size of the image is equal to the size of the object. So according to magnification we can tell about the nature of the image. जो भी image form हो रही है उसका हम nature easily बता सकते हैं. So I hope now you can do all the exercise questions easily except the question number 16 and 17. जो हमारे 16 and 17 question है उसके अलावा जो बाकी के क्वेश्चन है वो इजीली हम कर सकते हैं 14 and 15. So you have to solve them on your own, and for the 16 and 17 I will explain you first of all the power of lens in the next lesson. Next lesson में हम सबसे पहले पढ़ेंगे power of the lens क्या होती है, then we will solve the 16 and 17th question. So that's all for the day. Thank you.